Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's discussion is about Elementor. What is Elementor? Elementor is a plugin of WordPress. Let's take a big picture. Let's take a big picture about Elementor. WordPress. First we will talk about WordPress. WordPress is a CMS, content management system, that is used to make websites. Elementor is just a plugin of WordPress. Before we go into the details of Elementor, first we look at the structure of Elementor. Now let's get started. This is a basic structure of Elementor. First, the outer rectangle. Let's imagine it. The outer section, the outer rectangle is a section. As I write here. The outer rectangle is section. The inner rectangles is a column, and inside columns we place Elementor widgets. Elementor is a plugin in which a series of element widgets has been put together, and we simply use it. We don't write code. We simply use built-in widgets, Elementor widgets. So this is a basic structure of Elementor. I am a section. I am a column. I am Elementor widget. If you completely understand the basic structure of Elementor, then everything will be fine in future. This is a Contessa Crutchfield WordPress website. This website is completely prepared. This website is completely prepared already. But we try to learn it, how to use it, how to interact with the Elementor, or how to interact with with this example website. First we log in. This is dashboard. This is dashboard of WordPress website. On the left panel, these are administrative tools that we can use it to make our website looking good. Okay? So first thing that so let's talk about very basic thing. Pages. What is pages? How to create page? This is pages, and I click on all pages button. All the pages that website uses are here in this section. Again. Before we look at the actual pages, let's try to create random pages. I click on add new page, just for demonstration purposes, and I click on edit with Elementor. I just want to show you that basic structure. I want to show you a basic structure if you understand completely, if you completely understand, then we move forward. So this is settings. I set it Elementor canvas. This is page layout. And this title is our page name. I want suppose I write test page, and status is published, and I want to and I click on update. So this page is published now. As we can see, this page is completely empty. Now let's add something in this page. So this is a basic structure, and let's minimize it. This plus button, this plus button adds a new section. This layout is a section with 1 column. This layout is a section with 2 columns, a section with 3 columns, a section with 4 columns, and this is a section with 2 columns, but the width of one column is big and the width of another column is small. Okay, let's try to this structure. Let's try to elaborate this picture, this structure that I drawn here. This is section. This 6 dots. This 6 dots shows there is a section here, and on the left you can see a small white picture icon. This is a column. These 6 dots, these 6 dots indicate that I am a section, and this icon says I am a column, and we create a section with 2 columns. I click on navigator, and navigator also reflects what we have done here. Navigator also shows there is one section with 2 columns. Navigator also shows what we have done here, a section with 2 columns. In the first section, I write some heading. Text editor. This is used for writing paragraphs. I write here, this is a paragraph, and all the stylings is done in style tab. When we add a widget, then these 3 tabs are already there. Each widget has these basic tabs: content, style, advanced. And in style tab we can give different styles: alignment, text color, typography. Text color, for demonstration purposes, we set it to red, and typography set it to object sense. Let's set it Times New Roman, and this we can set it and this bar sets the size, and all the stuff related we can click, and this is and their effect is done simultaneously. This column we do not add something widget here. Let's add image widget. Let's choose image. This this picture this picture looks good, so I set here. Choose image. Something went wrong here. So this is so this picture is not working. Let's take a button here. Let's add a button here. Delete. I thought I do not place a widget here. This is something. This is what I wrong here. I do not place a widget. This is my fault. So this picture is loaded. So what I wanted to show here is a basic structure of Elementor. I am a section, I am a column, I am Elementor widget. That is exactly here. I am a section. These 6 dots indicate I am a column. These 6 dots indicate I am a section. This icon indicates I am a column, and this pencil icon shows I am a Elementor widget. And each Elementor widget has 3 tabs: content, style, advanced. And when we update this page, let's view it, what we have done here. Preview changes. Loading. This page still loads, and then it displays. So what we have here, I said a section with 2 columns, and this is an example, and this is an example. This it is not necessary a section with 2 columns. We can have some occasions where we have a section with 1 column, a section with 3 columns, and some adjusted size. One section is big, one column is big, and another column is small. So this is a Elementor widget, but inside a column. This is an image widget, but inside a column, and these 2 columns are inside a section. So this is a hierarchy. So this is a basic structure. If you understand this, then we'll move forward. All these things are Elementor widgets. Okay, these websites are make up of Elementor widgets. Some widgets are present in columns. Okay, and columns are present in sections. So let's take an example. These 6 dots indicates this is a section. Although it is an intersection, we do not take a deep depth. We do not go to depth, but we simply says this is a section. So this is here. These 6 dots indicate that I am a section. This icon indicates I am a column. This icon indicates I am a column. So what is inside column? Inside a first column there is a section widget, section title widget. There is an Elementor widget called section title. I'll show you section title. This is a section title Elementor widget that we use here. And in another column we use inner section. We can do that, but in simple words, this is a section. Inside a section, we have one column. And inside this is a section with one column. And this hierarchy and widgets. And what are the widgets? And what are the widgets? This is a section title widget. This is a section title widget, and this is a form, this bar changes when we click on this widget. This bar changes when we click on this widget. That bar changes. This is edit form. As we discussed earlier, every Elementor widget has 3 basic tabs. Form is itself a widget, Elementor widget, and it has 3 tabs: content, style, and advanced. And in content tab we have different fields, form fields, and we can create further and some delete here. Deletion and addition and deletion of form fields are done in content tab. So this is a section. 6 dots indicate that I am a section. This icon indicates I am a column. And what is inside column? There is an inner section inside a column. Inner section is just a small, and section is big, and inner section is small. So what we conclude here. So the conclusion is, entire website is made up of Elementor widgets. Section columns is already there, but in simple words we can say that entire website is made up of Elementor widgets. So if you want to change anything, let's just click on it. Just click on that Elementor widget, and you can be able to change it. So this is a Elementor about us page. This is about us page that we can edit in Elementor. So once you log in, I close here. I close this page. This page is test page, so I close here. So this is a Elementor contact page in Elementor. So this is about page. Once you logged in so click on edit with Elementor. This button, when you click on this button, you can be able to you can have administrative power to change everything inside this page. So I already opened this Elementor about us page, edit with Elementor. I have already opened here. So if you a little bit confused, then click on navigator. This navigator tells there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This navigator tells about us page. About us page contains 5 sections. This navigator tells you a big picture. About us page contains 5 sections, and what is inside section? First section contains 1 column, and what is inside 1 column? Heading widget. Heading, that is Elementor widget. Heading Elementor widget is present in column, and column is present in section. This is a basic structure. Okay. If you want to change it, if you want to change something, click on this. Click on there can be 2 ways. There are 2 ways. Changes can be done through any navigator or can be directly. So I can directly change here. So just click on it. Just click on that Elementor widget that you think this can be changed. If you click on Elementor widget, so you can be able to change it. So I can write here as meet Contessa Crutchfield. Sorry, I misspelled here. So you can see I can very easily change I can very easily change anything that we want. We can change anything easily that we want. So I add Crutchfield in this section title widget. If you don't want it, remove it, and this can be disappeared. So if you feel that this is that needs to be changed, then you can change it very easily. Just click on that Elementor widget and change it. So this is all about. At the end we can say that entire website is made up of Elementor widgets. Structure. What is the structure of Elementor? So this is the structure of Elementor. I hope that you can understand this lecture. Allah Hafiz.